Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Just went to the flea market and just got back and wanted to show you what I got real quick. I got both these knives right off the bat when I got there. I got them for $6 for the both of them. This one's a Queen's Cutlery, swell center jack, and there's a little pen knife. This is a hammer brand, and it's got a really cool pattern. I love that pattern on the scale there. It's cool. This right here, this was in this toolbox that I got, which I'll show you here in a bit. It's just a little lens. Just a little lens in there. I don't know if it's worth anything, but it's nicely packed in there. Very padded, so we shall see. And I got this cool old tape measure. This is Walsco. See what the tape looks like. It looks pretty good condition. Kind of a silver color to it. Really cool. Had to pick that one up for $1. And I got this for $1. Of course, I didn't know what it was, so I had to pick it up. But it does say, we can get focused here, KD Megco, and the other info there. On the other side, number 605, and it says inserter, valve keeper inserter. So that's what it is. It just had a cool look to me, so I picked it up. I know some of you guys out there probably use this tool. So let's see here. So this little tool cabinet, it has a name, but it got ripped off there. I wish I knew the name. I'll try to research and find it out. But he said this was, all these measurements are for drill bits. So what do you guys think? Maybe? And this is really cool. Some of the drawers are a little stuck because they got stuff back in there. But it's really cool for organizing. We'll get these drawers figured out later on. Pull all the stuff out of there. I think there's some, handy stuff. I can use the stuff that's in here. Something I really took notice of that I like were these drill bits, which have an interesting line to them. Let's see if we can read what's on there. Anyway, I don't see anything, but they have an interesting shape to them. What else in here? Some screws, more screws. Really perfect for organizing. You know, it kind of reminds me of a Kennedy style of toolbox. Oh. Anyway, I love it. I'm definitely going to use it. And that is it, guys. Not a very big haul today, but a fun one. And I found some stuff I really liked. So, have a good day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.